Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about class 11 commerce, chapter number 1, introduction to accounting. In this chapter we will discuss about meaning of accounting, history of accounting. So you will get all the answers and we will start from scratch. So hope you will like the video and hit the bell icon, and please be with us till the end of the video. Okay, let's get started. The first question, whenever if you are discussing about accounts, so the first question will be raised that what is accounting? What do you mean by accounting? So over the centuries, accounting has remained confined to the financial record keeping functions of the accountant. So accountant has to do only financial record keeping. Okay, so now we can say the role of an accountant has changed, because today's rapidly changing business environment has forced accountants to reassess their roles and functions both within the organization and the society. So we are expecting more than record keeping. So we need accountant who is multitasking, who can do lots of work, not only record keeping. So the role of an accountant has now shifted from that of a mere recorder of transactions to that of the member providing relevant information to the decision making team. So in every organization we have some decision making team, so we need some relevant information. So it is expecting from an accountant to give relevant information. Broadly speaking, accounting today is much more than just bookkeeping. In centuries ago it was only bookkeeping, but now it is not a bookkeeping. We need to preparation of financial reports. Accountants are now capable of working in exciting new growth areas such as forensic accounting. What do you mean by forensic accounting? It means solving crimes such as computer hacking and theft of the large amounts of money on internet. You can say today in today's world we have this type of problem. Computer hacking and large amount of money on the internet is theft. So we need a person who can handle this type of things. So e-commerce designing web-based payment system. We can say today we are going to use such a good techniques. In this technique we are using online payment, so we are using internet. So internet is very useful, but somehow it is very dangerous also. So we need a person who knows these things. Financial planning, environmental accounting, these we are expecting from an accountant. He has to do these things: financial planning, environmental accounting, everything he has to do. This realization came due to the fact that accounting is capable of providing the kind of information that managers and other interested person need in order to make better decisions, because managers are expecting the relevant information which is given by accounting. So this aspect of accounting gradually assumes so much importance that it has now been raised to the level of an information system. As an information system, it collects data and communicates economic information about the organization to a wide variety of users whose decisions and actions are related to its performance. We can say if we are talking about an organization, we have external users also, those who are interested in our organization. So they need some relevant information so that they can invest in our organization. So they need one information. This introductory chapter therefore deals with the nature, need and scope of accounting in this context. So now we will go with meaning of accounting. What do you mean by accounting? So first of all we will discuss about some institute has given some criteria or some meaning of accounting. So we will discuss about that meaning, then we will discuss about later on. In 1941, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, had defined accounting as the art of recording. Very, very important. It is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money. These all words are very, very important. Transactions and event which are in part at least financial character and interpreting the results thereof. What they had said, they said accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing the significant manner or in terms of money, transactions and events which are in the part at least of financial character. So we can say this is accounting. So later on, in 1966, American Accounting Association defined accounting as a process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit enjoy judgments and decisions by the user of information. In 1966, American Accounting Association also has defined accounting. So they said the process of identifying, first of all, you have to identify, measuring and communicating economic information. They have forced on this word economic information so that the judgment and decision by the users of information can easily be taken. So we can understand this accounting meaning with this circle. So what this circle says, it says first of all economic events. Economic events will occur, then accounting will start, accounting will process, then communicating accounting information. Whatever the information is taken, it will be communicated, and then the decision makers will be internal or external users, can take actions, can take decision. So this circle will be continued. Then in 1970, one more thing is discovered. In Accounting Principles Board of AICPA also emphasized that the function of accounting is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. Accounting can therefore be defined as a process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating. So this you have to learn. Identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. In order to appreciate the extent nature of accounting, we must understand the following relevant aspect of the definition. So in this definition, what we have learned there are four things we need to understand. The first one is economic events. Very, very important if you are talking about accounting. So first thing you have to clear in your mind that economic events should be there. If economic events should be here, so the second thing is identification, then measurement, recording, and communication. And it has to be an organization also. If you don't have any organization, what will you do? So organization also is very important. Interested users of information, because whatever you are doing in an organization, so there are lots of people who are interested. They may be internal or external, both. So these, after the definition, what we have learned, there are four terms very, very important for accounting. Economic event should be there, identification, measurement, recording, and communication, and one organization should be there, and interested users of information is also very, very important. So today we will stop our video till here, and then tomorrow continue will do. So if you like the video, then share and like also, and subscribe our channel. We will meet again. So till then, take care. Bye.